Hello, Tim Pink here, local business owner and dog enthusiast. Is your dog making too much noise all the time? Is your dog constantly wagging its tail around, driving you crazy? Is your dog always knocking over your furnitures? Think there's no answer? You're so stupid! There is! Poodle Noodle! Finally, there's an elegant, comfortable noodle for dogs! I couldn't hear anything! Does your dog have a docked tail? Is your dog's tail long gone or in between? That doesn't matter, because one size fits all. Poodle Noodle. It's the whole caboodle. So click the link in our bio. We're the home of the original Poodle Noodle. Ow. Wow.